morning everyone. Today we are going to do question number 5. In question number 5 what we have to do is we have to write the we have to do this questions. This question is given by you have to take the help of this box. Read the information about the India International Trade Fair 2018 and answer the questions. You have to answer these questions. Here, as you can see, entry fee for India International Trade Fair is 2018. Business visitors 400 rupees. So the ticket of this visitor is rupees 400. On weekday, 50 for adults, 30 rupees for children, and between 5 to age between 5 and 12. On weekends means Saturday and Sunday. Okay, weekdays Monday to Friday. 8 rupees for adults, 50 rupees for children aged between 5 to 12. Date of timing: business visitor can visit from November 14 to November 18, that is 9:30 to 6:30 p.m. General public November 19 to 27, 9:30 to 7 p.m. Parking charges per hour: bus and truck is for 350, car is for 125, scooter and motorcycle 50, and bicycle rupees 2. So if 9,862 visitors visited the trade fair in a week, how much money was generated from the sale of the business class tickets? Okay, so this is the number of business visitors visited the trade fair. As it is already given, the ticket for business visitor is rupees 400. Here the value of one thing is given, means value of one ticket is given and number of business people are given. So we have to find the value of many things, means we have to find the cost of the tickets of this 9,862. I've already told you, when one value is given and you have to find the value of many things, you always have to multiply. So here we will multiply. Firstly, what we can write is we can write the number of business visitors visited the trade fair in a week is 9,862. Entry fee for business visitor is rupees 400. Total amount collected after selling business class tickets is, you have to multiply. So 0 multiplied by 2 0, 0 multiplied by 6 0, 0 multiplied by 8 0, 0 multiplied by 9 0, 0 multiplied by 2 0, 0 multiplied by 6 0, 0 multiplied by 8 0, 0 multiplied by 9 0, 4 to the 8, 4 6 the 4 6 the 24, 4 here, 2 up, 4 8 the 32, and 32 plus 4 32 plus 2 4 34, 4 here, 3 up, 4 9 the 36, 36 plus 3 is 39. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 8 8, 0 plus 4 4, 0 plus 4 4, 9, 9 plus 0 9, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 0 3. So the total amount collected by selling a business class ticket is 39,44,800 rupees. Now the B part is 8,64,760 people non-business class. Okay, they have said non-business class visited the trade fair in a week, and half of the visitor went to the trade fair on weekends. Find out the number of visitors on the weekends. So find out they said कि how many people are visiting on weekends. This is total number of people who has visited business class. Now we have to find out the half of this much is visiting on weekends. So we have to find the half of how many are visiting on weekends. So for half we have to divide it with 2. So 8,000. Firstly, we have to write number of non-business class visitor visited in a week is 8,64,760. Number of visitor on the weekends is, we have to find it out. We have to divide it by 2. So 2, we have to write this big number inside, and 2 we have to write it outside. 8 comes in the table of 2 at 4, so we have written 4 here. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 we will bring down. 6 comes in the table of 2 at 3, so we have written 3 here. 6. Now we will bring 6 minus 6 is 0. We will bring 4 down. 4 come in the table of 2 at 2, so we have written 2 here. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then we will bring 7 down. Now 7 does not come in the table of 2, so we will write 6. Again we have to write 3. Now 7 minus 6 is 1, and we will bring this 6 down. Now it will become 16. 16 comes in the table of 2 at 8, so we have written 8. After this last 0 we will bring, and this 0 we will, as this question is almost complete, so we will write this 0 at here also. So the number of visitors on the weekend are 4,32,380. 4,32,380. Now question C is 5082 cars were parked in the parking lot. Calculate the amount collected as parking charges. Please look here. Here we have been given parking charges for car is 125, and here is saying that 5082 cars, total cars is parked, so we have to find the total amount. Here one value is given, the one car parking charge is rupees 125, and you have to find the value of many things. So number of cars parked in the parking lot is 5082. Parking charges for car is rupees 125. Now total amount collected as parking charges is 5082 multiplied by 125. So simply you have to multiply. So we will multiply here. 5 to the 10, 0 we will write up 1, 5 8 the 40, 40 plus 1 is 1 here, 40 plus 1 is 41, 1 we will write here, 4 up, 5 0 the 0, 4 will come down, 5 5 the 25, so we will write here 2 to the, then we will write cross, 2 to the 4, 2 8 the 16, 6 here, 1 up, 2 0 the 0, 1, 2 5 the 10, 1 cross cross. When we are going to third step, you have to write cross cross, or you can write 0, I don't mind, both are correct. 1 2 the 2, 1 8 the 8, 1 0 the 0, 1 5 the 5. Now we have to add this number, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 4 plus 5, 1 plus 4 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 2 here, 1 up, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15, 5 here, 1 up, 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 5 is 6. So here this C till C part we will be doing today, and D and E part I will give you homework. If 6 cars were parked in a row, if 6 cars are parked in a row, means one row में 6 cars हैं, so calculate the number of rows. 5082 cars were parked in. Now total number is given to you, total number is given to you, and you have to find that how many number of rows you have to find. So you are going to divide this thing, 5082 you will divide by 6, and then you will get that how many rows we need to put this 5082 cars. Now 1935 buses were parked in the trade fair in a bus. Calculate the amount collected as parking charge. So this is the total number of buses. We know that the bus charge, parking charge is 350. So you have to find the total amount. You have to find total amount. One thing, one value is given, and you have to find the total amount. So now what you are going to do, 350 you will multiply with 1935, and then you will get the answer. So I hope students you will be able to do all these questions. Bye bye. Have a good day.